So I'm going to make a new entry over my Google Sheet and you will see the magic of this automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. And here you can see in my Slack channel, I don't have any messages right now. And as I will make a new entry, we will see the change. So now let's make it. So here I have made a new entry providing the full name, email, phone number, city and the product in which my user is interested. Now let's move on towards my Slack channel to see the change. So right here I'm on my Slack channel where you can see that right now I'm having a message which is notifying my team regarding this newly entry made over my Google Sheet, having the name of the user that is the same as I have made the entry. And here you can check out the rest of the details too. So you can see the working of this amazing automation which is notifying my team regarding the new entry made over my Google Sheet. So you can see how amazing this is. Now you don't have to manually notify your team regarding the newly received leads because this automation is going to do so. And I have created this automation by using one and only automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. And no worries, you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating this automation. You just have to follow some simple steps to integrate the applications. So let's move on towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect and see how to use this automation tool. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you have to sign up for free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you just have to sign in. And if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen, you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the workflow page where it is asking me to select my trigger application. So right here I'm going to select it as Google Sheets, as I want to initiate this workflow as soon as I make a new entry over my Google Sheet. And now let's select the app event destiny or updated spreadsheet row and click over this connect button. And right here we are getting this webhook URL which will act as a bridge between Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect so that we can build a connection and can automatically fetch the data added over our Google Sheet. So I'm going to add this webhook URL to my Google Sheet. So here I have copied it and now let's move on towards my Google Sheet where I have already made a new test entry having the user's full name, email, phone number, city and the product in which my user is interested. Now for adding the webhook URL, you just have to move towards extensions, select add-ons and select get add-ons. And you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace where you have to search for the app, that is Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So here I'm going to search for it and right here you can see that we are getting this application which is already installed. So make sure to firstly install it and afterwards again you have to go towards extensions where you will see this option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks where you have to select this initial setup to get the initial setup dialog box. And here in this dialog box, we have to add the webhook URL which we have just received from the Pabbly Connect. And now for the trigger column, you have to enter the last data column of your Google Sheet, that is E. So here I'm going to enter my trigger column as E. Now we just have to click over the submit button. And here you can see that my setup has been configured successfully. Now we have to send this test data to the Pabbly Connect. So for that, we just have to click over this send test. And right here you can see that my test data has been sent successfully. So now let's move on towards the Pabbly Connect and check for this data. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect where you can see 7 seconds ago we have received this response and this response consists of all the fields which we have just filled over our Google Sheet. So right here we are having the data. Now we just have to send this data to the Slack to notify my team regarding this lead or this entry. But before that, you have to move towards the Google Sheet, select extensions, and here you have to select Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and here you have to enable this send on event, so that you don't have to send this data again and again to the Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect can automatically fetch it. And right here you can see that it is enabled successfully. Now our data will be automatically sent to the Pabbly Connect as you will make a new entry here. And now I'm going to use my action application, that is going to be Slack. So here I'm going to search for it. And right here you can see that we are getting this application. Now let's select the app event as send channel message and click over this connect button. And here for building a new connection, you have to select this button and click over this button, that is connect with Slack. And now it is asking me to enter the token. So if you want to find out how to get the token, then you can visit this documentation given over the help desk, or either you can enter your token type as user or bot. So here I'm going to enter my token type as user. Now let's click over the save button. And afterwards, I'm going to select my workspace. So here I'm going to select it as Pabbly Connect, and afterwards I'm going to allow the access to this particular workspace. So I'm going to just click over this allow button, and here you can see that the connection has been built in so smoothly. So make sure to firstly log in your account for getting a smoother experience. And now it is asking me to select the channel ID. So right here I'm going to select my channel ID as leads, where I want to notify my team. So right here you can see that we are getting this channel ID which I have selected. And now it is asking me to enter the message which I want to send to my Slack channel. So now let's enter it. So this is the message which I'm going to send to my team regarding this lead. So right after this word name, I'm going to enter the name of my lead. So now you might be thinking that I will manually type it like this. But no, here I'm having a method provided by Pabbly Connect called as mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these fields from the response which I'm receiving from Google Sheets, as this is my previous application. And the process is simple. You just have to select the field and this slash symbol. And right here we are getting our previous application. So from its response, I'm going to map the full name of my user. Now likewise, I'm going to map the email address. So here I have mapped it. Now let's map the phone number too. So here I'm going to map the phone number and the rest of the details. So here I have mapped all these fields, and these fields are dynamic, means these will be replaced as the new entry will be made over the Google Sheet. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and here you can see that we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a Slack alert might be sent. So now let's move on towards my Slack channel to check it out. So right here I'm on my Slack account, where you can see that I'm on this channel named as leads, where you can see that we are successfully receiving this message having the name of the user, email, phone number, and the product in which my user is interested. So you can see that I have successfully built in this automation which is notifying my team regarding the new entry made over the Google Sheet. So you can also create this automation so that you don't have to manually notify your team, because this automation is going to do so. And for creating this automation, you have seen that you just require one automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.